Hi, I'm David Bediz. I'm the owner and founder of Bediz Group, LLC. We have 20 years of experience in real estate, and we're licensed in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Delaware.
And I'm David Traynor. I've been with the Bediz Group and worked in real estate for a little over 10 years, and I'm licensed in DC, Virginia, and Maryland.
Bediz Group is a team of 7 agents and a professional graphic designer. We were a Washingtonian top team for the past 6 years, a Real Trends top 10 team for sales volume for the past 2 years, and we were voted Best Real Estate Group by the Washington Blade readers in 2023. Our team of highly trained and educated agents can help you whether you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or rent.
Our agents help our buyers purchase their first homes, investment properties, vacation homes, and we work closely with all buyers to provide them market data, available programs that are out there, and guide them through the entire process. We work closely with our local lenders to ensure clients take advantage of programs to secure the lowest possible down payment and rates.
For our sellers, we provide a large range of services, including expert pricing analysis based on current market trends and recently sold properties, plus professional marketing with the highest quality materials and media, including HD photos, virtual tours, floor plans, and videos to be used in the MLS listing and social media. We also hold open houses on all of our listings and provide feedback to our sellers in a very timely manner.
Our team specializes in properties that may need a little refresh or renovation prior to hitting the market. We have a keen eye for design and understanding the renovations and updates that can help sellers secure the largest return on investment. We have professional contractors, stagers, painters, cleaning crews, landscapers, all to help make the renovation process quick and easy. Depending on the scope of the work, we can also manage the entire project on your behalf without any upfront costs.
Here's an example of one of our recent fix-to-list renovation success stories. Our team oversaw the complete renovation of this row house. After just 3 weeks of work, we were able to sell it for $156,000 more than it would have otherwise gotten. And it sold in just 6 days. We even set the record for the highest price per square foot in the community. After all of the expenses, our seller made $66,000 more because of our savvy design and marketing strategy for the property. Bediz Group is a one-stop shop for all your real estate needs. In addition to helping buyers and sellers throughout the DMV, we also help clients secure their dream vacation homes throughout coastal Delaware and Maryland, or find a weekend retreat in the Virginia mountains. Our team can also assist with your property management needs, helping landlords maintain their properties and secure long-term tenants, or manage their properties for Airbnb and other short-term rentals. We strive to provide our clients 5-star service, so we invite you to visit our Google business page to see our most recent reviews, or get to know more about us at Bediz.com. We look forward to helping you achieve your real estate goals.